Welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we step inside the Shkrub House, a unique dwelling designed by Serhii Makhno for himself and his family. The house is a love letter to nature, built with Serhii's favorite materials: linen, wood, clay, and metal. Clay takes center stage, with walls adorned in 9 different techniques, some inspired by ancient Ukrainian traditions. Walls were textured by hand using a spoon and even incorporate flax seeds, rye, and wheat for a truly organic feel. Lighting throughout the house is handcrafted by MAKHNO Studio, each piece unique and a testament to traditional Ukrainian artisanship. Sinks and bathtubs are also created in the studio, adding a personal touch. The house boasts 2 entrances, with the residence favoring the one leading to a starlit terrace designed by MAKHNO Studio. Stepping inside, the cool clay walls embrace you, leaving your worries behind. The main living area features a spacious layout with an open kitchen, dining area, and living room. Large windows bathe the space in natural light and offer a panoramic view of the garden. A sculpture by Nazar Bilik acts as a silent guardian, protecting family stories. The name Shkrub is a playful term of endearment between Serhii and his wife Vlada, signifying love, respect, and the essence of home. The family's favorite spot is the dining area, designed to celebrate simplicity and warmth. Every seat offers a beautiful view, encouraging conversation and connection. Tea ceremonies are a cherished ritual here, reflecting Serhii's love for Japanese culture. The house caters to all culinary needs with 2 kitchens. The open kitchen emphasizes minimalism with a vintage wooden table from a flea market. The closed kitchen embraces Ukrainian traditions with the MAKHNO, traditional dish shelf, and designer ceramic tiles. The second floor features a gallery and bedrooms with glass handrails and MAKHNO Studio's designer, tetrapod, tiles inspired by coastal protection structures. Each bedroom boasts a balcony overlooking the living area and garden, ensuring a connection to nature upon waking. Guardian angels watch over the children's rooms, adding a touch of protection. The second-level terrace draws inspiration from the famous Ryoanji rock garden in Kyoto. Rocks and sand symbolize the inseparable bond between land and sea. The arrangement of the stones allows you to see only 14 at a time, with the 15th visible only to the enlightened. Serhii's parents are frequent visitors, highlighting the strong bond between generations in Ukrainian culture. Their bedroom reflects simplicity and an openness to Serhii's creative design choices. The Shkrub House is a remarkable blend of nature, family, and innovative design. It's a place of serenity, connection, and a testament to the beauty of handcrafted elements. Let us know in the comments below what aspect of the Shkrub House resonates most with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.